you honk. 40? Yeah, you honk. Again? 40? Look at thumbnail right here.
Yeah, that is a good thumbnail though.
Wait, it's in the sun. Let me do it from this side. Oh, there we go. That's better. Alright.
Yeah, that's a good thumbnail.
Alright, so I'm gonna break down on this car.
Evo.
Oh, hell no.
The breakdown on my car?
Breakdown. What do you got? What do you got?
Alright, so I got some Dutchworks 450cc injectors. I got a new Dutchworks fuel pump. I'm running the JDL 2860 RS turbo kit. It has wide body.
What size is it? 2860?
2860 RS turbo. The whole kit, front mount, all that good stuff. I'm running some Work VSXX wheels. I have a...
I don't care about the aesthetics. I just want power.
Oh, just power. That's pretty much power wise, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, you have the catch can for protection, all that good stuff. That's pretty much it. Making about, I don't know, I'm gonna say like 280 to the wheel. But last time I got it tuned, the dyno was broke or wasn't calibrated, so it showed like 245 and it was down like 50 horsepower. So, but I'm gonna get it tuned again in January, a couple weeks. I'm gonna get a new mid pipe and see how much power I'm making. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned.